Hello kids, how are you?
Today we are going to learn reading of numbers, that is 101 to 200. Now first let us read 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. This is 29, 46, 76, 59, 12, 178, 157, 192, 164, 83, 129, 190, 183, 146, 130, 116, 108. Now we know how to read the numbers. Next, what number comes before? That means before 17. We know the number before 17? 16. Similarly, 117, 116. 70. Then before 70, 69. 170, 169. Before 54, 53. 154, 153. 90, 89. Before 90, 89. Before 190, 189. Before 31, 30. Before 131, 130. Before 45, 44. Before 145, 144. It is just as similar how you write 2-digit number. Then you have to use little bit, you have to think, and then you have to write the numbers. Next, what comes after? After 19, 20. After 119, 120. After 36, 37. After 136, 137. After 84, 85. After 184, 185. After 60, 61. After 160, 161. Next, what comes between? Here, the number is 175. Between 175 and 177. What is the number? 176. Next, 180 and 182. What is the number between 180 and 182? That is 181. We have to read the numbers carefully and write. After writing the answer once, we have to check whether my sequence is correct. Thank you.